We are on our way to Utah to get in and out. And where are we going? Where are we going, baby? We're going to LoveLoud. Atticus and I, for the first time ever, going to Ikea. Ikea, like Chick-filet for me, it's one of those things I didn't think I'd ever do. I don't really regret going to Chick-filet. The one sandwich I had was okay. The other 2 times I went were pretty gross. So Ikea, I don't know why I've never wanted to go. Probably because I don't like to conform.
That's awesome.
That's exactly what I did. I just told a